Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to refund items on Roblox. First of all, you need to open any of the browsers and in the top there's an address bar. Type down roblox.com/support and you need to enter. And under this Roblox support, you'll find this contact information that you have to fill up. Simply type down your username and your first name, which is optional, and type down your email address as well, and you need to confirm the email address again. And you can also issue the details what device you are having the problem on. You can select this device type and select the device that you have issued a problem. And here again, you need to type the help category. You need to scroll a bit down until you find this icon for this purchases using Roblox. And here you can also select the help subcategory type and select this. I have an issue with marketplace item purchase. And here you can describe your issue. And after you describe your issue, you can simply select continue and proceed to it. After that, Roblox support assistant will shortly reach out to you. And this is it. This is how you can refund items on Roblox. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.